Hello everyone, this time let's work on the magazine. Here you can see a problem with the fillet not working properly. Sometimes Plasticity can't do the fillet. To repair this, I trace the circle and then Shift I to imprint. With Ctrl R, I can now define the thickness of the fillet on the other side. Here, the loop tool can't find the point to snap on. No problems, I remove the face that I don't need. With the curve tool, I reshape the edge to my desired form. Extruding the sheet. Then imprint. Tips: check hide occlusion to avoid the imprint on your entire model. I'm happy with the thickness now. Symmetrize. I can now use the loft tool to fill the void. It will act as a fillet. Join the two sheets with J and then fill the gaps with patch hole. Here I'm using the bridge tool to facilitate the loft. Join the sheets and it's done. Let's add this little detail. Loft patch holes to finish this area. Here I realized that the part I was working on was too far from the magazine. I can always cut the part and move it where it's supposed to be. I delete all the faces that I don't need. For some reasons, the boolean doesn't work. With the loft, I can connect the two pieces now and join all of them. Here, the white should highlight only the hole. Right now, it's running everywhere. It means that the edges are not connected to each other. I'm trying to add an extra edge to support the patch. Still not working. With the line tool, I'm starting from this point and going through the body shape. Imprint. To keep the fillet, I do a bridge curve. With one point, I G0 to keep it straight. I trace a curve to finish the volume and then patch it. As you can see now, all the edges are connected and the patch hole can work. Let's add a bit of details to this piece now. Here, while in loft mode, you can adjust the tension for different results. J to join the sheets and patch to make a solid. Here, I realized that the magazine was completely off. So I removed everything, fill all the gaps, redoing the base of the magazine, making sure that everything is in the right place. Now we are good. Redoing all the fillets. Actually, it was faster like this. Adding some details here with the array curve. I didn't follow the curve I had, so I just snapped them with the move command and control. I'm continuing with the simple shapes of the magazine. Always refer to your reference images. Build up your volumes from large shapes to the details. Checking the fillet size. For the top details, I drew a simple curve as an indication, pushing a bit of the refinement at the end of the magazine. I like to push each part a little to get an idea of the overall shape, but without going into too much detail. Here you can see that the loft is convex, but I need a concave shape. Let's see how to fix it. I put an edge here and trace the line from this point. We don't want to use this edge, but this one. This will change the direction of the loft. Select the previous edge and Shift D to turn it into a line. You can now loft the 2 points. Hit G0 to have 1 point chop. Duplicate and snap. and use those two new curves as a guide for your loft. Use the G0 to straighten your loft. To add the rounded edge, create a curve and imprint it. Remove what you don't need and fill the gaps. With the curve selected, use the pipe command located in the right bottom corner. This edge can be filleted to have a more rounded edge. Then remove the face to keep the edge sharp. Add the last details. And we are done. If you like it, consider subscribing and I will see you in the next part.